Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will tell you how the gold has moved in the last week and how the gold can move in the next week. See, if you look at this chart, what you can see here, that the price of gold if from the month of April, we have seen it has shown a good volatility. Okay, if I show you the bottom, it has made a low of 1678 around, okay, 1677 around, and a high of around 1915. Okay, and this is a very good move if we look at a volatility thing. See, since April, before April, if you look at this chart, it was in this particular range, okay, but it has not touched the high. Okay, so the high what we have seen at this level in the month of, which was around 1950, okay, just before the month of Feb in 2021, and from there it has came down to a level of 1677, and from there again it made a high of around for 3 months high, okay, made a high of around 1915, and then from there 1917, and from there it has came down again to a level of 1750, and then now again made a high of around 1833, and again it has come to a level of 1789. So what I meant to tell you is that the range of the gold and the volatility is high. Okay, if we go month wise, see, in 2021, if you look at this Jan month, it had made a high, and from there in the just 3 months it made a low of around 1677, and from there again in just 2-3 months it had made a high for 915, and from there again it had made in July month it made a low of around 1750.48. Okay, so what we can see here, if we look at this July month, that it had made high was in this particular range. Once this range breaks, it moved up and made a month high. Okay, after making a month high, again it came down. Okay, so suppose if this range breaks, if we look at this range, the high we can see is at around 1812, and a low we have seen at around 1789. Okay, a pattern is created here. If you look at this pattern, you will understand here. And please, if you have any doubt regarding gold position, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, or a mail ID I have given in the description. And please watch the full video so that you will understand how this technical is working, and you can be good at trading and as well as investing. Okay, and if you wish to join my Telegram channel, link I have given in the description, you can watch it. Okay, so, and if you like the video, and please there's a bell icon so that you can get my all notifications, you can press that. Okay, see, look at this chart. Now what we can see, that this range, this is the particular range, a high of that is around 1811, and this is from 21st of June, I am telling you, July. Okay, and the low of around 1789. So what we can see here, that once this range breaks upside or downside, we can see there can be a moment of upside or downside. So for a traders, I always tell them that follow price action. Price action means you should follow a trend. Suppose if you bought at this level and we know that the trend is an upside, you bought at this level, you can exit at this level. Okay, because once this trend goes, suppose if you bought it at this level and the trend goes downside, so what is the use of taking at this level? Okay, and once if we have seen the trend that it is moving down, so sell at this level, buy at this level. So this is how price action strategies mostly work. And this, if you want to attend my workshop, you can attend. Okay, and you can mail me where we can fix the time. You can mail me where we can fix the time, and then we can arrange the workshop. So look at this. Now what we can see here, suppose now it is trading at 18. Okay, it is trading, and I'll tell you, once this range, okay, so once this range, if you look at this, it is now trading at 1814. Okay, so suppose if it goes upside, then we can see that it can touch a level of 1817. Okay, because 1840 is already tested twice, so chances will be very high that if it goes upside, then it can touch a level of 1816, and from there it can touch a level of 1819. Okay, once 1819 is touched, then we can see that it can touch a level of 1824. Okay, and once 1824 is touched, and because we have seen that this is only tested once, okay, so chances will be very high that if it goes upside, 1820, if it goes above 1824, then we can see that it can touch a level of 1826, and this level 1826 is tested twice, so chances will be very high that it can go up this level and can touch a level of 1831, and this level 1831 is also tested twice, so chances will be very high that it can touch a level of 1832, and this level is also tested twice, so chances will be very high that it can touch a level of 1834. Okay, once 1834 is touched, what we can see here that it can go and touch a level of 1839, and from there we can see a level of 1842, and 1842 is level is also touched twice, so chances will be very high that it can touch a level of 1845. Okay, and once 1845 is touched, then we can see that there is a reversal in the trend, because 1845 is a very crucial resistance as well as support. Okay, so keep this in mind that once, and if you want to check if the price of 1845 goes up this level, and you can check my previous video where I have told the resistance where it can touch on the upper side. But if it goes above 1845, I will be then possibility that it can touch a level 1854, and from there 1862, and then we can see a level of 1869 very soon, and then we can see a level of 1874, and then so on the upper side. 1845 once cross, we can see then more upside movement we can see, but these are all my personal view what I'm sharing and for educational purpose. See, suppose if it didn't sustain 1814, so chances will be very high that it can touch a level of 1810, and if it goes below that level, then we can see a level of 1805 also, and once 1805 is touched, then we can see a level of 1799, and this level, because this is the range where the gold price stays from around 21st of June to 28th of June. Full week it has moved in this particular range, so chances will be very high that if it comes in the range of 1811 to a range of 1792, it can be in this particular range for some time, and once this range breaks downside, then we can see further move. Suppose if it goes below a level of 1810, then chances will be very high that it can touch a level of 1805, and from there it can touch a level of 1798. Okay, once 1798 is touched, then we can see a level of 1792. Okay, once 1792 is touched, because this level 1792 is already tested 2-3 times, so chances will be very high that it can touch a level of 1789. Okay, and once 1789 is touched, and this level is, we can see that it is a strong support 1789, so chances will be very high that if it goes below this level, then what we can see here that it can touch a level of 1784, and from there we can see a level of 17777. Okay, and once 17777 is touched, then we can see a level of 1774, and from there we can see a level of 1768. Okay, and from there we can see a level of 1761. Okay, but till the time it didn't cross a level of 1789, we are on we can say that it can be in this particular range of 1811 to 1793. Okay, and once it goes below this level, okay, then we can see a level of 1783 also very soon, and then we can see further low of this gold prices. So hope you like the video, and if you need any doubt, I have given you the mail ID and the description, you can watch it, and please press the bell icon so that you can receive my notification also. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe it. Thank you.